little gadgets, all kinds of knickknacks.
Okay, all right. And you saw her crawl from the kitchen, through your kitchen into the dining area because you believe she was having a moment of reflection about combat or something?
Yeah, so sir, just to bring this in, I did a little research because after this experience, I got freaked out.
Okay.
And I didn't want to like experience this ever again. So right here, it says the 6 stages of post-traumatic stress disorder.
Sir,
and
sir,
it says
Sir, are you a medical expert?
I am not, but this is
Have you been trained in psychology?
Somewhat.
Have you been trained in psychology?
Legally? A little bit.
No,
I started,
not from the internet.
Well, no. I started going to psychology school and then...
psychology school?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. I feel that you're not telling the truth on that.
But anyway,
sir,
she's living on the edge.
Sir, you are not in a position to say anything in relation to her mental state. You don't have that authority. Okay. You don't have that expertise. Now, here's where my concern is.
Yes, sir.
That building, how long has that building been in existence?
It's been in existence since 1945.
I'm assuming you've made some renovations to that building since 1945.
Yes, we have done renovations, but...
When's the last time you had renovations done to that building?
1985.
1985. You haven't done any renovations to that building since then?
We haven't needed to, sir.
Nothing?
No, sir. City code is that you're grandfathered in if your building was built back in the day, and we were grandfathered in. So any kind of ADA approved stuff, we didn't need to deal with it, so we didn't deal with it.
All right. Did it ever cross your mind that maybe you would have a handicapped person that would come into your establishment?
Yes, sir. And that's why I put the veterans parking. I put handicap parking.
That's nice,
spots.
But what about handicap parking?
There is handicap parking.
Not on your picture, it wasn't. It said veterans parking. It didn't say handicap.
You didn't show us that you had veterans parking.
Well, next time I come to court, I'll bring a picture of that too.
But you were very adamant about showing the veterans and not the handicapped,
knowing
that you had a handicapped person.
Well, a handicapped veteran, so I figured the veteran would trump the regular handicapped person.
Okay, that's not how that works.
Actually, you know what?
Actually, the funny thing is we don't even have an actual veterans parking spot required by law. That's just something that the company
out of my own heart.
Out of
and
your
my
own
family.
heart.
Yes,
that's not required by law. So the thing about it trumps a car. No, that's not how that works. Is there any type of video of you crawling over this floor, ma'am?
Not only did he make me crawl, Your Honor, his staff and other people, they videoed it and put it on social media so everybody could see.
What do you mean? Wait. Hold on.
It was all over social media.
On what social?
I don't know those.
Are you telling me that his restaurant is on his restaurant's social media page?
On his social media page, and they were laughing just like he is now. Do you know how humiliating that was?
It made you famous. You became famous from it.
All over social media.
Hold on.
Try not to laugh, Your Honor.
I can guarantee I'm not going to laugh at this.
We got a good kick out of it.
Why is this woman crawling over the floor like that?
It was her own mental illness that made her crawl on the floor. I mean, she's the one that did it.
Was that you I saw in the background look like you were smirking a little bit?
I mean, come on. You got to give credit where credit is due. It was funny. I mean, she went crazy. She yelled Hiroshima and fire in a hole.
You know, it's funny. I didn't hear her say Hiroshima. I didn't hear her yell fire in a hole. It looked like she was on the verge of crying.
I didn't make her cry. I mean, I told you, she jumped out of the chair, acted like a crazy person, army status.
Is there any particular reason why this woman was crawling from the kitchen into the dining room area?
Yeah, because she claimed that she couldn't get her wheelchair through, which was a lie.
Okay.
I mean, the only reason why she couldn't was because of all the dangling stuff on it.
Okay.
So we tried to help her because, first of all,
this video doesn't show you trying to help her. This video doesn't show anyone trying to help her.
Because we were staying away. She was crazy, man.
She was crazy?
She was doing these crazy gestures and I'm from Vietnam. It was nuts. She's a
Your Honor,
screwball.
the reason that he said, believe it or not, that I couldn't crawl on his tile that he had, and he didn't want it ruined, that I could not take this chair across his tile because he thought it would be ruined. That's why I was crawling.
Well, you know what? Would you agree that those tires on her wheelchair would cause some type of tracking marks on tiles? I know that tile can be sensitive. Would you agree with that, sir?
You know what, Your Honor? The money that I spent for those marble floors, I wouldn't have any.
There it is.
Jesus Christ tires ain't gonna come on my floor.
Yeah, I see. You know what, sir? I see your point. You can't have those type of tires on tile. I get your
So
point.
my
And you make
staff
a
was
customer crawl.
So my staff was going to carry
you know what?
her across the tile
Mr.
floor.
Bianchi, I totally understand where you're coming from. We're here. Those type of tires would definitely mark up the tile that's on at least the tile that I saw here. I agree. That would mark it up. I totally understand. So based on that,
they would. See,
based on
take
that,
a good look.
will you two stop it?
I didn't say nothing, Your Honor.
Okay.
He can't cross.
Based on that, my decision is final. Mr. Bianchi, sir,
Yes,
you
sir.
will pay her $25,000 in damages for pain and emotional distress. The embarrassment that you caused her. You thought this was a joke. You still think that this is a
We
joke.
made her famous on Instagram.
Oh my goodness.
I'm going to make you famous in a few seconds if you keep this up. Now, you want to see what I can do? So,
Don't be side-eyeing me like that.
So here's the thing. First off, she's not old enough to be in Vietnam. I don't know if you know when
Well, I don't
Vietnam
know
took place.
what Vietnam people yell, but she was yelling that
She's
stuff.
not old enough to be in Vietnam.
She
So
said
that's the first thing.
Normandy. She was yelling all kinds of crazy nonsense.
Did not.
Sir. The second thing is, I believe what she's saying about you refusing to allow her wheelchair inside the building because of the tires. You just admitted, yeah, those tires would mess up your
Because
your
I got
tile.
beautiful flooring.
You just admitted to that.
Yeah, I did.
And I could care less if those things mess up your tile. That's your problem, not hers. You are a jerk. Plain and simple. You are a jerk. Your staff is a jerk. Your business is an embarrassment to Mango Park.
Well, then don't ever come in there. You, the bailiff, or her and her family. I don't want to ever see any of you in my establishment.
Don't worry.
Cafe Bianchi is not for you guys. It's for us.
Us?
Yes, us. Italian celebrities and people with money.
Oh, it's just us.
Yes.
Oh, that's where we at now.
Oh,
okay.
okay.
That's just
All right.
us.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All
There we
right.
go.
Okay, we
I
got
got you.
you.
Us.
All right, now.
You're us.
Your
Okay.
company is going to pay her $25,000. Next week, you can expect a visit from the food inspector. I'm pretty sure we can find 1 or 2 violations.
I
Building
pay them off
inspector
too,
too.
so we're gonna be fine.
You pay all food inspectors?
You know what? I ain't putting up with this no more.
Hold on, sir. Did you just say that you pay food inspectors?
Don't worry about what I said.
No, you're right. Jerome, I want you to take this man into custody for bribery.
I got you.
You ain't touching me. I'm out of here.
Hey, brother.
Jerome.
Come on.
And you ain't never coming to my establishment again.
I bet you
I don't
better.
want any of you guys in there. Or you. You know what? Any of these people. You're not coming in. You're not coming in. Now you are.
Well,
See?
I guess I won't be going there to eat. This case is adjourned.
I have never met a more despicable human being than the owner of whatever that Italian restaurant. Nobody on this planet ought to go in that restaurant. And I am so in agreement with Judge Porter's decision. He made the right decision. It should have been more than $25,000, and I hope he gets exactly what he deserves. He had no empathy, laughing at a handicapped individual. Shame on him. Thank you, Judge Porter.
Look, my establishment is all for the vets, but this veteran's a different kind of crazy. So for me to have to pay $25,000 for her not to put her dirty wheels on my clean Italian marble floors, that is nothing. And for that kind of crazy not to come back into my establishment, I'll do it again. As for me being arrested, I got my attorneys working on it already, and I'll be out by the end of the day.